Hey you guys, so this is Aubrey James, and you are now behind the scenes of my new live performance for the Fresh Festival event. I'm going to be one of the artists performing. As you can see, there I go. But here is the dressing room that everyone is getting changed and prepared for. Isn't it so cool? It's a dressing room. I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you how cool it is. Hey girl.
Hey.
Hey.
This is gonna take too much for a monologue.
No, you look really good. Okay, so I'm like doing this for my website and like YouTube and so forth like that. So I'm just taking everyone behind the scenes. Yeah, but introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Crystal Williams.
This is Crystal Williams, Aubrey James Williams. We're related.
Yes.
But yeah, she's gonna be one of the actors and artists that's gonna be performing tonight at the Fresh Food Festival event. All right, so we're just showing them the little festival. Then it's glamorous, concrete glamorous, y'all. All right, say bye to the camera, Crystal.
Bye.
Yeah. I'm taking you behind the set on the stage. Look at this stage. Isn't it magnificent? Well, no one's here right now. But this is where I'm going to be performing at soon. This is a beautiful stage. So there you have it, behind the scenes with Aubrey James.
You better work, bitch.
How are we feeling tonight, everybody?
Good.
Always makes me
young. We're beautiful and dirty rich. And it's all about establishing a legacy, and that's what this next song is about, Concrete Glamour. It's about glamorizing the concrete journey, struggles, hardships we endure in life. So this next piece is called Concrete Glamour.